We spoke a little about the workshop needs to be suitable, level floor, good lighting, size. So that is certainly a consideration. But if the workshop owner isn't certain whether their place would be suitable, then they can certainly contact us and we can come out and do a site assessment and make recommendations on what we think can be done and perhaps maybe what can't be done. So that's one of the reasons. The capital investment required is another, and that's quite a serious concern. Especially with what a lot of industries have gone through recently in the last couple of years. So money can still be a little bit tight, but one of the advantages of our system is it's modular. So as we mentioned, there's dynamic and static calibrations. You could start off just with their diagnostic tool and do dynamic. If you wanted then just to do front camera calibrations, purchase the CSC tool and only the targets, those graphic symbols I spoke about earlier.
It doesn't have to be all in.
No. You don't have to go all in. It's not all or nothing.
Yeah.
It can be piece by piece.
And allow it to grow in your business.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
You can build your competence in line with that as well. So your comfort factor to be able to talk to customers and introduce, we now do front camera. This is why we do it. So there's an opportunity for the workshop to build their competence and their marketing spiel in line with the equipment and the investment.
Really, if there's any technicians, any workshop owners that aren't really certain, would like more information, would like us to come out and do an assessment of their site, no problems. All they need to do is contact us. They can contact us by email. You can see the email address here, by phone. You can see the phone number, and we'd be more than happy to talk to them and address any concerns that they may have.